Bye!
See ya!
See ya! Won't wanna be ya! Good evening wherever you are. My name's Jay, welcome to the channel. Hope you're well. So we'll come out on this beautiful day today and we're going to head over to the RV point and meet up with Mr. Moist Decoy, Simon. So that's going to be quite fun. So we've got no faster today, we've got no Motovlog UK. So the roads are a little bit wet, but it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, so we're supposed to be getting some good weather today. It's supposed to be blue skies and that. I think we're going to get a little bit of rain, but it's all good. I do. Right, what? It's like being on my mod 1. It's like being on my mod 1. Right. All right. Let me just that's it. Ah! Hey, hey! Alright, buddy. I feel like I fucking can't move. What time did you leave this morning?
I managed to leave just about after 8 o'clock. It was just after 8.
Was it? Was it cold?
It was alright. It wasn't that bad.
Let's take this off.
Good morning. How you doing, Matt?
You're going to be a YouTube star.
We already tried to be, mate. We tried to be.
I know. Try his best. You all good, mate?
Yes, mate.
You wash your bike?
Yeah.
Bad as Dave.
I nearly took a comb with me then.
Yeah. You could take it with you as long as you bring it back later. Oh, I could have gone then.
Busy road, this, isn't it?
Yeah. There's a lot of traffic out today.
Yeah, it's sunshine, mate. Brings everybody out, doesn't it? The nutters.
Try not to stall it now, I will spin it.
If you do, I'll have it on camera, mate.
Yeah.
All good.
Or me skittling across Stocksbridge bypass. I'll do. Right. Right, mate. Oh.
We're out.
We're out. No, thanks for coming up, mate, anyway.
Nah, mate. I think it's all worth it, mate. Worth the effort.
Yeah. It's nice to see you, mate, anyway.
It's always good to see you, mate. Always good. Get that visor down.
I wish my missus had the same sentiment.
Oh, we see him again.
Yeah. Someone had a go at me, one of my subscribers.
Really?
Yeah, he said, in the nicest way, he said, oh, if you didn't have that hoodie on, it wouldn't blow down your neck and you wouldn't be cold. And I'm like, yeah, he's got a point, actually.
Oh, the clouds are lovely in front, mate.
Yeah. Oh, nice and fluffy.
Like cotton wool. It's like a broken up tampon.
Yeah. Left here, matey. What do you reckon?
Try.
No, there's cars coming now, look. I'm going. Piss him off now. Are you in?
Yeah.
You
Nearly did a dive. Nearly did a dive then though, mate. Nearly had the close-up of your top box.
You see lights? I can only just see them.
I can see on my sun red stuff. Looking on who's got a fire on there?
I don't know, I thought it was your back wheel. You see that reservoir there on your right hand side there, lot?
Yeah.
I used to live just the other side of that.
Yeah.
Like literally just on the other side of it.
What, in the field?
Yeah, in the field, mate, yeah, in a tent.
In a caravan?
In a caravan, yeah. I've lived everywhere, mate. Every bird I've met I've moved in with.
Can't call you comfortable, Jay, for nothing, do
they? Oh no, I got it wrong, mate. It's this side here. Look, there's a caravan. Look, my neighbour. That one mine, that first one. Yeah, we're just dropping down into HOLMFIRTH here.
HOLMFIRTH.
Last of the summer wine.
Do you reckon I'll get a copyright strike just for doing those few bars?
You know you might do. Right, this is start of Saddleworth now, so we'll be stopping just at the top of this hill. Right, we're going left here, mate. This is this COMPOS.
Balls.
I hope it's open.
I hope so too.
I know. Watch it not be open now.
You got enough room there, mate?
Yeah, mate. I know I need to go on a diet, Dave, but sorry, but that's. Why did I think of Dave then when I'm talking about being on a diet? sorry, Dave. Let's just see if they're open. I bet they're not open yet. Hey, you open? What time do you open? 11:30? Oh, okay. What time is it now? 5 to. Oh, right. Thank you. Oh, I don't fancy waiting half an hour, do you? It's up to you. I'm not bothered. I will do.
Yeah, let's wait, mate.
Do you want to wait? Yeah.
Yeah. Why not?
I can smell chips.
So thanks for those sausage and chips, mate. It was lovely.
No worries, mate. Greedy.
Very generous of you.
Greedy twat.
Yeah, I did notice I ate all mine. You left a few of yours.
I only want a coffee, Jay. You're all right. Well, I'll get these, mate. I'll have fish chips, peas, coffee. Oh, and I'll have a piece of that chocolate cake as well.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold?
Oh my God, come on.
These.
I think what they're doing, I think they're struggling to park, so they're just like waiting for spaces. But because there's traffic coming down as well, we can't really nip up the outside, can we?
No.
It's a bit tight. What is happening here? Are we just like waiting for someone to make a decision or what?
Come on, it's like a Mexican standoff.
I'm going in front of this one anyway. Why didn't that white car just move over? Because he's just got like loads of room.
Is he doing?
I ain't got a clue.
He's waiting for a parking space.
I don't know, she's struggling through there, lot. Or she's going to hit that van. Come on, mate. Why do cars annoy me so much?
They're just too big, aren't they?
We're up here, mate, anyway. We're going to park illegally where it says no parking. Oh shit.
It's slippy.
Fucking hell. Slip is not the word. Jesus.
Mossy.
Yeah. That's it. So have to be careful. Have to be careful getting out there, mate.
Oh shit, my keys are in the ignition.
I don't have that trouble.
Oh, Mr. Keyless.
Yeah. So you should have brought your drone. See if you could land it on there.
No, it's gorgeous.
Right, shall we go?
Yeah, I need to change my battery in my camera, mate. It's gone.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just be careful coming out there, mate, because if you touch your front brake, it's not too bad on my side.
It'll all be over.
I'm going to try and sit on mine and roll it back, because...
Okay. Yeah, let's do it, man. Can you get through?
I think so.
Well, that's close, mate.
Yeah, I can't. Good lad, thank you. Someone's got a brain. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers, pal.
Yeah, we're turning left down here in a bit.
So you're better in front than I am, because you give clear, concise directions, mate.
Yeah. I didn't say I was turning left, I said you were. God, I fucking had enough of you.
Stop following me.
Yeah, stop following me. I don't even know you. I don't even like you. I only ride with you because I've got nobody else to ride with. Oh no, not really, mate. Oh, tunnel. They sound meaty, don't they?
I heard you.
Yeah. I think we're going left. I think we're going left at these lights. I've never been down there.
I've gone that way before.
Yeah.
It's nice. Go for it, man.
Yeah, well, something different, isn't it?
It's get on with that. Put somebody's proper back lane here, right?
I'm going to say, I don't know where we're going, mate. Just following this thing.
Chivita. Excuse me, are you all the Chivita?
It says we've got to keep to the road.
Oh, it does keep to the road.
Well, right. This is different, mate.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. It's an adventure.
It is an adventure.
Every day is an adventure.
Absolutely crazy.
Yeah. That'll be me when I'm about 90. Hey, up these gates closed. What's going off here? Oh no, straight on. I thought we were going up there.
Well, do you want to go landing, do you, mate?
Yeah. I normally do that in secret, mate.
Proper nice round here, though, isn't it?
Yeah. I had a farmer once say to me, it says, if you want a bit, I won't tell anybody, just give me a £5 and I'll let you into where all the sheep are. And so I went up one night and he came up and he says, what are you doing? Because I was ripping all the wool off it. I was ripping it all off. He goes, what are you doing? I says, for a £5, mate, I want it fucking naked. That was shit, wasn't it?
Fucking hell. They're getting worse, mate.
Getting desperate.
They're getting them out of crackers.
Yeah. Yeah. I tell you what, this is quite nice.
It is lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stunning.
Stunning.
Stunning road.
Gonna come up someone in a minute. Get off my land.
Yeah. Oh, what are you doing down here?
Yeah.
You can't be down here, son.
It'll be HOLMFIRTH with his big elephant gun.
Yeah.
Wow, this is different. Nice.
You're gonna have to remember this one, mate.
Yeah. I think we are going up here. Nice little cut through. Well, this is a different road, isn't it?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Seasoned ramblers.
I be looking for some fisherman's friends.
Ha-har.
Aha! Oh, look at that road up there to your right.
Oh God, yeah. Actually, I saw that bearing off, but it looked a bit pebbly.
Yeah.
How do?
Yeah, I don't know what road this is, but I like it. Down there.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, it's bloody beautiful.
Ha-har, me hearties. We found treasure. That's lovely, this line.
Just goes to show, doesn't it? Just go off the beaten track a bit and...
Yeah, brings a wonderfulness.
Look at all them people up there, look.
Kid, yeah?
Go and fly your drone up, see if you can knock them off.
Is that Mamtor?
I don't know, you know.
I think it is, you know.
Oh, it might be, because it... Ah, look where we are.
Mamtor, isn't it?
Oh, I know. Oh, look, we're on this road. How comes I didn't recognise that? I'm thinking we're on a different road. Did you think that was that road?
No, not at all.
We do that road all the time and we thought it was on a different road. What a fucking knobhead.
Off the beaten track.
Hey, you know what they say? Every road leads somewhere, mate.
Dear right.
I'm going to cut that out and pretend we went on some different road. That was unrecognisable, but at least we know that cut through now, don't we?
Yeah, that's lovely. That is nice. A nice cut through that.
Yeah, right good that. What a dickhead. Yeah, this is a nice road. It looks like Castleton.
How do? It does, doesn't it? I've never been down here before.
Oh, look at her, mate. Look at breasts on her. This one.
Oh, prime.
Yeah. Yeah. Get yourself on me plate. I'm going to eat you.
I've got some mint sauce.
Yeah. I'm going to call this vlog, right, exploring new roads in Derbyshire. What a twat. The amount of times I've done that road, I cannot believe that. Jesus.
To be honest, mate, I didn't recognise it until you said, look at them people up there.
Yeah.
That looks like the back of Mantor.
Yeah. Do you know what though? We could get through there, you know.
Yes, you could. Waiting for Inspector Morse and his E-type Jag to sort it out.
I'm going. Fuck him.
You're going right at the end, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Cool.
No point in us just being sat there, can get through there. You're coming, Dave. Side.
Yeah.
Why do I keep calling you? Why do I keep calling you Dave? It's just weird. You don't even look like a Dave.
He's not going to say I sound like him.
No, 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 no.
I'm not as camp as he is.
You said it, we think it. Oh, bless him. That's his feminine side. Nothing wrong with being in touch with your feminine side, is there?
Of course not, mate. Nothing at all.
I don't know. He's not even here. We're taking the piss out of him. Poor lad. He calls you camp, Dave, not me. I think you're very manly.
Going left here, am I?
I think so, mate. That's back to Bamford, isn't it?
Yes, mate, nice one. It
Yeah,
is indeed.
Bamford's
Dude,
not... You're only half a mile away anyway, so...
Dude, you take it steady. I know where I am.
Yeah. And you, mate. It's been a pleasure, bud.
Always, mate.
Always a pleasure, never a chore. See you later, Si.
See you later, mate. Take care, Jay.
Take it easy,
See
mate.
you, dude.
See you, dude.
Ta-ra, mate.
Laters. Bye.
See ya!
See ya. Won't wanna be ya. And he's gone. What a fantastic day's ride we've had today. Weather's been absolutely beautiful. Just gonna head back now. I just thought that was hilarious. I was just on this road and I thought it was somewhere new, and then come out and it's Castleton. But yeah, it's been a fantastic day, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. So just a bimble around Derbyshire once again, but with no Fasty this time and no Dave. And apologies to you, Dave. We love you really, mate. We miss you. We miss you, Fasty. So yeah, guys. Remember, every day is an adventure. Crazy out.